Open the Income and ROE page and click on the Operating Income tab to obtain the Operating Income Planning page. At the left top of the field, select 2011 as the base or current year from which a projection for the year 2012 is obtained. Under the Input side of the field, note in the Step 1 panel that initially the slider bar arrow is set at 0 as the 2012 operating income target. The red 2012 target number and the blue 2011 base number are displayed in the boxes in the Step 1 panel. In the Step 1 panel, the endpoints for the slider bar range are set by double-clicking in the box at the top or bottom of the bar, entering the desired number, and then single-clicking. For example, set the endpoints of the slider bar range at -100,000 and +100,000. Next, move the slider arrow along the bar to obtain different what-if operational income target numbers. Note that the selected target number is displayed in red text in the box to the right. Alternatively, a precise target number, for example 85,000, can be set by entering the number in the upper box and moving the slider arrow to the top of the slider bar. Since no changes have yet been made in the metrics in the Step 2 panel, the initial projected operating income number shown in the box under the output gauge is equal to the base operating income number in the Step 1 panel. Note also that the output gauge needle points into the red zone since the initial operating income of $60,967 is less than $85,000, the operating income target set in the Step 1 panel. Next, select the metric Sales Total Change. In the Step 2 input panel, enter -1 and +1 corresponding to -100% and +100%. Move the slider bar arrow to different positions on the bar to obtain different 2012 what-if percentages, which are displayed in red to the right of the bar. Note that each selected percentage causes a different number to be displayed as the what-if 2012 operating income in the box under the operating income gauge. Note also the red or green gauge color when the operating income number is less than or greater than the target number in the Step 1 panel. To set a precise percentage change, enter the corresponding fraction in the box under the right end of the slider bar. For example, increase sales total change to 10% and increase to 5% the percentage changes for cost of goods sold, total job expenses, and total operating expenses. Note that the needle of the operating income gauge points into the red zone and a projected 2012 operating income of $74,029 is displayed in the box under the gauge. Note also that this is less than the 2012 operating income target set at $85,000 and displayed in the Step 1 panel. Next, increase the what-if percentage changes by adding 20% to each metric. Note the resultant 2012 what-if operating income number displayed in the gauge now reads 86,222. Note also that the gauge needle points into the green zone, indicating that the projected 2012 what-if operating income of 86,222 is greater than the target number of 85,000 shown in the Step 1 panel. Click on the Show Chart button to see a bar chart of the results. Moving the cursor onto the blue and red bars of each category displays the actual numbers for the 2011 base year and the what-if numbers for the 2012 projection year, respectively. Click on the Hide Chart button to return to Operating Income Planning page.